How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Bambu Studio to factory setting. So the first thing that you want to do is to close or just save every project that you have on your Bambu Studio. And just to simplify, there is no direct option or there is no direct way in order for us to totally reset our Bambu Studio. But what we need to do instead is to completely delete all of its files. Now, just head over to your search bar for Windows 11, and this can also work for Windows 10. In here, type add or remove program. Navigate through the system setting. Look for Bambu Studio by once again using the search bar. In here, click on the three bars, click on uninstall, and basically that will remove our settings and the file itself for Bambu Studio. From there, just head over to your browser, search for Bambu Studio download, and you can just install a fresh copy of Bambu Studio, and basically this will be the factory setting. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.